Something magical is happening outside tonight. Mia stared at the falling snow. Please, please, please. Tom checked the weather app twice. Then 3 times.
School's closed tomorrow.
Mia heard everything. She did a silent scream. He knows. Something's here. Sleep now, Mia. Tomorrow needs you rested. Mia woke at 5. She did not sleep much. She grabbed the curtain. She pulled it open fast. Everything was white. The whole world was snow. She ran to Mom and Dad. Snow! 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 5 more minutes. No! They all looked outside together. It was beautiful. Snow day! Everyone get dressed now! Lily made warm porridge for a cold snow day. Tom wore 6 layers. Lily counted every single one. Where are the other boots? We need them now. Did you look behind the jackets? Max. Good boy. Are you ready for your walk? Lily wrapped Mia in a very, very long scarf. I can't reach. Hold on, got it.
Tom opened the door. The garden was pure white.
Max stepped into the snow. He looked very confused. Then Max ran everywhere. He was completely wild.
He rolled and rolled. He made a dog angel.
Max put his face in the snow. Snowbeard. Mia chased Max. Max won. He always wins. Tom chased Max too. Tom was very, very slow. Look what he found! A stick! Max is so proud! Tom.
Are you all right?
Very fine.
Snowman competition! Best snowman wins.
Mia studied the snow. She had a great plan.
Tom was very confident. Too confident, said Mia.
Mia's snowball was perfect and round. Tom's was not. Almost there. Perfect.
Perfect.
Not again. Yes! Nice job, Tom. Mia made a beautiful face. Tom's was very simple. Lily looked at both snowmen for a long time. Lily chose Mia. Mia danced. Tom pretended to cry.
Max, behold this masterpiece.
It's art, isn't it?
Oh, wow. Look at that smile. Genius.
They gave the snowman a hat and warm scarf.
Lily set the timer.
Mia made a snow angel. Tom could barely move.
Oh, come on. Try again, Tom. You missed.
Oh!
No,
Did I do that?
I did it. No.
Marshmallows!
Woohoo!
Not yet.
Nice try, Tom. Mia took one sip. She closed her eyes. Perfect.
Tom tried one big spoonful. Marshmallows fell everywhere.
Tom tried one big spoonful. Marshmallows fell everywhere.
Max had a dog treat. He caught it perfectly.
My epic snow day list.
Wow. Yes. Time for a game. The games cupboard. Which one should we play?
Max chose one game. Max walked through the game. Then he sat down. Tom was winning. He was too happy about it.
Then Mia made one big move. Tom went quiet.
And that is our beautiful snow day story. I hope you loved it.
Let us remember today's important words together. Wonderful.
Subscribe to Lily English Stories. New story every week.